Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to apply for a Tamara card online, follow these steps for smooth process. Go to the Google Play Store or App Store depending on the phone type. Search for Tamara, install the app, open it and create an account or login if you have one already. Provide your mobile number and verify it via OTP. Enter your personal details such as name, email and identification information. Ensure your information matches official documents to avoid verification issues. After that, once your account is active, navigate to the Tamara Card section within the app. Click on Apply for Tamara Card. So provide required information after. You may need to submit a valid ID, proof of income or bank statement, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the application. Review your details carefully and tap Submit and wait for your application to be processed. Guys, once approved, you will receive your Tamara Card digitally within the app. Follow the activation steps provided to start using it for online or in-store purchases. And that's basically it, guys. Very easy. Hopefully this helps you out. Enjoy, press like, subscribe. See you in the next one.